Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this, the IMQSQIK. Try to pronounce that. I can't. But what it is it's a super cool little light. It says rose diamond table lamp, and it's, USB charging and whatever, so you can kind of keep it a little bit away from there. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I set it up right over here. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is it right down here. And look at these, look how pretty these things are. And see, they got the little battery thing there, and it does, stays charged. But so you can keep it plugged in or charge it and leave it there and just stick it on a table. But then look at this, check this out. I can change colors as I push the button on the top. Just kind of a thing. But look how pretty these are. Super nice, and they're pretty light, and it's acrylic, so it's nice and durable, so it's not gonna go and just scratch up your counter or mess anything up or be too heavy, so it falls over, it's not gonna break. So these are super pretty. They look nice. They actually put out a decent amount of light. I don't think I would necessarily want to eat by it because it's got all the little ridges in it, but definitely looks beautiful. Thumbs up from me. I like this. This is it here. The IMQSQIK. IMQSQIK. Very cool. Thumbs up.